Okay, first I want to apologize. At the end of lesson 5, I said that this was going to be your last video. You actually have 2 more lessons in the algebra segment. Lesson 5 was very long, but these next 2, 6 and 7, are not that long. Okay, so this is lesson 6 in the algebra concepts, and we're talking about simplifying expressions. The objective is given an algebraic expression and a value for x. The student will be able to use substitution to simplify the expression to 100% accuracy. So you're going to be given 2 items. You're first going to be given a value for x, and you're also going to be given an expression. I just want this expression simplified. You're going to take whatever x equals. So the value of x is 2, and everywhere that you see an x in this problem, you are going to put a 2 in its place. Okay, so this is basic substitution. All right, so rewriting the numerator. Instead of 8x plus 2, that's going to be 8 times 2. It's not 82, that means times in there. 8 times 2 plus 2, and in the denominator, you have 6 times 2 minus 4. Okay, so you want to simplify the top as much as possible. 8 times 2 is 16. Okay, and then you still have the plus 2 in the denominator. 6 times 2 is 12, and 12 minus 4. Okay, you can simplify that more. 16 plus 2 is 18. Okay, in the denominator, 12 minus 4 is 8. Okay, you can do one of 2 things here. 18 divided by 8 does not divide to be a whole number. Okay, you can either reduce that fraction, 18 over 8, to give you 9 over 4, which that's dividing both the top and the denominator by 2, or if you divided it on your calculator, it would tell you that that was equal to 2.25, or 2 1/4. Okay, so those are your 2 possible answers. Simplifying this answer, putting x in place, putting 2 in place of the x, that gives you 9/4, or 2.25. So you are getting a number answer for these. Example 2, it's giving you x is 3, plug it in or substitute it into this expression everywhere that you see an x. So rewriting that, you're going to have 2 times 3 plus 3 in the denominator, 5 times 3 minus 12. Okay, you substituted the 3 in for x and the 3 in place of this x. Okay, after you substitute in, you simplify the numerator and the denominator. So 2 times 3 is 6, and then rewrite the plus 3. In the denominator, you have 5 times 3, which is 15, and subtract the 12. Simplifying that more, 6 plus 3 is 9. In the denominator, 15 minus 12 is 3. Okay, and then you can divide 9 by 3, and you get the whole number of 3. Okay, so your answer is 3 for example 2. At this point, stop the video and finish example 3. Come back and push play and check back with me. Okay, in example 3, they're telling you that x is 5. Substitute into this expression, in place of these x's here, put the value of 5. Okay, so rewriting that, you have 3 times 5 plus 5. In the denominator, you have 2 times 5 plus 5. Okay, once you did your substitution, now simplify the numerator. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 plus 5. In the denominator, simplify 2 times 5, which is 10, plus 5. You always want to do the multiplication first before the addition because you use order of operations. Okay, now you want to simplify the numerator. 15 plus 5 is 20. In the denominator, 10 plus 5. You know what? I made a mistake. Back here, I wrote plus 5. That should have been a minus 6 from right here. Okay, I need to change that right here to be 10 minus 6. Okay, I just copied the problem wrong. Okay, so at this point, 10 minus 6 is 4. Okay, so now when I do my division, 20 divided by 4 is 5. Okay, and that's your final answer. At this point, if you understand the video, you can now go on to the final video, which I promise is the last one. If not, you can replay this video if you need extra practice.